Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to turn on microphone on iPhone. So if you want to turn on or enable microphone on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Turning on microphone will allow you to use applications like WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, and all applications that require microphone on your iPhone. So if you found this difficult to do, then here are the steps that you need to take. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on microphone on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just need to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to privacy and security, and then click on that. Now, once you selected privacy and security, you need to scroll down this page. Just keep scrolling until you get to microphone here. Then go ahead and click on that. Now, once you've selected the microphone, then you're going to see all apps that have access to your microphone here. So if any of these applications is disabled, so let's say you have all of them disabled just like this, and you want to enable or turn on microphone on these applications, all you just need to do is toggle on this button. And once all these buttons are toggled off from gray to green, then your microphone will be enabled on your iPhone. So that is basically how to turn on microphone on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.